Hi everyone, my name is Hannah and I'm here with another Oneflow hack. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add signatures and message templates in order to save you time and also make your messages more personal and professional. To do this, just go ahead and go into My Profile. And here in the first tab, you can click Edit and copy and paste the signature that you normally use in your emails. For message templates, go to the third tab and you can add in a message template with a subject and the message, and you can name each template so you remember which one you want to be using. You can also categorize your templates so that it's either for the contract invitation or the reminder. So the invitation is the message that you're sending out the first time you're sending the contract to your participants, and the reminder is if you want to send an updated message or reminder to your participants about an upcoming signing period or just to let them know that things have changed. So you can categorize them into those two. Keep in mind though, for both messages and signatures, you can always edit it once you've added it in to your message. And so you can always make alterations or customizations depending on who you're sending it to. But this will save you time because the actual bulk of it will be written. That's it for me. Thanks so much for watching and subscribe for more tips and tricks.